My name is Humberto Valles. I am from Mexico. I'm an industrial engineer. I have worked for the past 35 years from the same company. 2002, I made my first trip to China. Coming to China for all us Westerns is like a mystery. So my first impression was completely different. From the moment I touched the airport, I just couldn't believe my eyes. The country was very modern, very different than all the stories they told me about it. And that's how everything started. I was impressed from the very beginning. And the more I knew the country, the more impressed I was with it. Hey, take it easy, eh? Take it easy, eh? We play sometimes. Just warm up. You need to let me win. When I told them that the future of our company was in this country, they wouldn't believe you. Time gave me the reason. The products that we were buying here were the most profitable that we were selling in the USA. It got to a point where the company sent 3 more guys from our company to come here with me. Actually, when they came and they saw it with their own eyes and told everybody else, not only Humberto was right in everything he said, he was conservative to what he said. China is really impressive. That's when they give us the green light to open the office in this market in the year 2006. I moved here. We have almost 130 stores in China, and we moved tile from Foshan to 20 other countries in the world. We started from zero and became like a little business empire of more than $100 million a year. I was right. It was China, the country where we had to be present and living and doing business from here. If you're in the ceramic business, this is the right place to be. It is very difficult to introduce Foshan just with one sentence or just with a few words. When I arrived to Foshan, nothing of this existed. In the Western world, even in the most advanced economies, it will take 50 to 70 years for this to happen. And I saw this with my own eyes happen in Foshan in the last 6 to 8 years. It is incredible. Never in my wildest dreams after I arrived to Foshan, I expected to see this. So this is like a dream come true.